So this story takes place in a kingdom. King is becoming old, have a very young, beautiful daughter. She's very, very smart also. The king doesn't have any son. He's becoming old. He wants what? He wants a king. So he thinks, okay, he checks up in neighboring countries, the neighboring kingdoms for a suitable groom for his daughter. I have a wonderful daughter, very beautiful, very correct age, and also she's very, very intelligent. Very brave girl also. I need a prince for her. What he realizes is nobody, and his age is going up more. Now he decides, okay, let me do one thing. I'll keep a competition. They make a criteria. Their age should be so much, male, isn't it? Should be healthy, and certain criteria, some 3-4, this much of education is enough. And the king sent an announcement. Village after village, town after town, kingdom after kingdom, they made an announcement that this particular kingdom, we need a prince. This is the eligibility criteria, and there is going to be a swimming race. There is going to be a Jaikan swimming race. So thousands of people. Who wants to become king? Everybody? How many of you want to become king? We all want to become king, not king of that, but we want to become king. Isn't it? King means success. Correct? So king karcha now, he will get respect, he'll get recognition, and he will get rewards. Correct? And he'll get riches. You want all that? How many of you want to become kings? How many of you want to become queens? Say aye. Only queens should say aye. Yeah. Okay. So please, we want respect, recognition, rewards, and riches. We want all these ours. Correct. So thousands of people, come, we will attempt our luck, we will try our luck, and we'll come. So the race is there. This side is all the young men are standing, and that side, the king is standing with his bride, with his daughter. The daughter is the bride. She's holding the mala. And ministers, everybody, the Dolok people are also there ready to start the celebration. This side is what? River. Now the king is making the announcement. Are you ready? How many of you ready? Say aye. King didn't say that. Are you ready? He says, thank you so much. You've come from far and wide, from different lands and all the things. You met the eligibility criteria of age and all the other things. Now we are going to have a swimming race. The winner will get to marry my daughter, will get all the hours. What are the hours? He will get the riches, he will get the respect, he'll get the recognition, and he will get all the regards, whatever it is, because he is going to become what? He'll become the prince, then he will become the king, and he will get his beautiful daughter also, which is intelligent and smart. Now, but there is one thing, small thing. In the river, we have hungry crocodiles. Whom we have? Hungry crocodiles. We have not given them food for last 10 days. We have hungry sharks. Sharks, bloodthirsty shark. It's available there. Then we have venomous snake. We have venomous snake. And then we have piranhas. You know piranha? Yes. Piranha is a fish which eats flesh. One of the most dangerous ones. So the water is filled up with all these things. Whoever crosses will become the prince and then eventually become the king. What happened? 80-90% of the people, ayyo, vana, who are in the podo, they all went back. They said, ayyo, vana, who wants to lose? Ayyo, all that I don't want all of that. They went back. What happened is only about 10-20% people are there. And then what happened is, one person jumped. One person jumped. Somebody jumped. Everybody is looking, yaar, and suddenly this young man is swimming. Snakes are there. He's fighting. Crocodile is biting. He is fighting back. Sharks are coming. Piranhas are biting here, there, whatever is complete fighting mode. He has come, and all the survival mode finally reaches the other side. What he has reached other side, he's got some scratches, he has got some wounds, he has got some blood, he has got some scratches, but not anything very, very serious, but he has reached. He's got blood and all that. What does the bride do? Bride says, wow, wonderful, handsome, intelligent, healthy, and also brave. Who wants? Everybody wants brave person, no? She put the dholak, everything. This man is also very happy. King is also saying, only one was brave enough to come and marry my daughter and all the thing. Everything was happening. The throne. He said, only one question. One question. One answer I want. What is the question? Yenna yavanda talana. Who pushed me? Who Who pushed me? Who is that fellow? யாரா என்ன தள்ளா முன்னாடி வா. Who pushed me? I am thankful. I am thankful. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. எனக்கு நீங்க புஷ் பண்ணலன்னு நான் குதிச்சிருக்க மாட்டேன். I was also standing there and seeing who will push. Then somebody pushed me. And today I have got what? I've got all the hours. I've got riches. I've got recognition. I've got respect and got regards. Everything has happened because of what? Push. I'm grateful to that person who pushed me. Today I have anything and everything in my life because of that push. So, Ramanan sir, can we push you? Can we push you? I'll not push you to crocodiles. Can I push you on the stage? Yeah? But I'll push you with P. Practice. First we will practice. Practice. Arun, push one.
My name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. BK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anju ji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.